You check your bank account on a random Tuesday morning. $247. Rent is due in 5 days. Your credit card payment is sitting there waiting. You tell yourself, once I make a little more money, everything will finally get easier. But then your paycheck hits, and somehow nothing changes. You still feel broke, you still feel stressed, and every month feels like financial survival mode. Look, if you've ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead financially, this video is probably going to hit a little too close to home. Because here's the thing nobody talks about. The first $5,000 you save has almost nothing to do with money. It changes your psychology. It changes your stress levels. It changes your confidence. And honestly, it changes the trajectory of your entire life. Introduction. My name is Max, and I spend way too much time thinking about why some people slowly build wealth while others stay financially stuck for decades. If you're someone who feels like you're constantly restarting financially, living paycheck to paycheck, or struggling to build momentum with money, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today we're talking about why your first $5,000 is one of the most important financial milestones you'll ever hit. And why most people massively underestimate what it actually does. Section 1. The hardest part of money. Now, most people think becoming financially stable starts at $100,000, or maybe $1 million. But honestly, that's not where the real transformation begins. The real transformation starts way earlier. According to a Federal Reserve report, nearly 37% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money or selling something. Think about that for a second. A flat tire, a medical bill, a broken phone, a surprise car repair. One unexpected expense can completely derail someone's finances. And this is where it gets really interesting. When you have less than $5,000 saved, life feels expensive because every problem becomes an emergency. A $700 repair doesn't just cost $700. It creates panic. It creates stress. It creates more debt. That's why poor financial situations compound so aggressively. Here's what most people don't realize. Being broke is incredibly expensive. Late fees, interest payments, overdraft charges, payday loans, high-stress decisions, impulse purchases for emotional relief. It's like trying to climb a mountain while carrying a backpack full of bricks. The first $5,000 doesn't make you rich. It removes some of the bricks.